Home remedies for constipation. We often make a light constipation, but it's no laughing matter. When you can't go to the bathroom for days on end, you feel bloated and miserable. Straining day after day can also lead to more serious problems like hemorrhoids or even prolapse of rectal tissues. One of the biggest factors in constipation is diet. Eating high fiber foods such as raw fruits and vegetables and whole grains helps to keep you regular. Drinking enough fluids is essential too. Water. Drinking enough water can be the first step to constipation relief. When an individual becomes dehydrated, the body starts pulling water from all over the body, including the colon. Staying hydrated by drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water a day can keep stools soft, making bowel movements more frequent and comfortable. Exercise. Regular exercise can help maintain healthy bowel movements. Both vigorous and passive activity can have a positive effect on the bowels. Running can jostle the intestines and colon in a manner that encourages the stool to move. Participating in sports activity, dancing or even walking for 10 to 15 minutes once or twice a day can help keep you regular. Castor oil. A natural laxative castor oil derived from the castor bean can be taken orally to stimulate a bowel movement. Not only does this ancient oil lubricate the intestines, but it also causes the intestines to contract. Take castor oil as directed, 1 to 2 teaspoons on an empty stomach. Allow up to 8 hours before a bowel movement occurs. Coffee. Drinking caffeinated coffee can stimulate a bowel movement. Caffeine can cause the muscles in the intestine to contract. This stimulation can move the stool towards the rectum. Through caffeinated coffee can help move bowels. It can also be dehydrating. Be sure to drink plenty of water when drinking caffeinated beverages, as not to worsen the condition. Lemon juice. Lemon juice can also flush toxins from the body. As a natural digestive aid, lemon juice can be added to drinking water or tea to enhance bowel stimulation. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is best.